My darling, you look like a custard, my darling. Well, I don't think I look like a custard, my darling. You do, darling. You look like a custard, my darling. What's a custard, It's a dessert, darling. I want to marry you, darling. You look like a custard, Well, I thought it was an insult, my darling. No, it's not, darling. You're a dessert-looking person, Well, darling, I like custard, darling. You should, darling. It's delicious, Anyway, let's go to a movie, my buddy, I'm not interested in you that way, darling. Why not? I thought you said I'm like a custard, Well, I'm not always wanting to have a dessert, or hanging out with a dessert, Why not? Why don't you want to hang out with dessert? I'm ready for a steak and savory,